Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevy Blazer RS in jet black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, rear cross traffic alert, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 55462A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.